Hello guys, we use smartphone Realme 10, this version 8GB memory and 128GB internal memory in the black color device, full completion. In completion we have protected back cover, device and quick charge adapter and Type-C cable in completion. Now talk about device. Device made of plastic. On the back side double camera. On the front side display 6.4 inch. On this side slot for 2 nano SIM card and microSD card for memory. On this side power button and warm buttons. Downside Type-C port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Turn on device. We have Super AMOLED Full HD Plus display. Look settings. About device. Model RMX 3630, version Realme U 3.0, Android 12. Geekbench 5. Talk about system information. We have CPU MediaTek Helio G99, octa-core 6 plus 2 cores, and GPU Mali G57. Clock results, single core score, multi-core score, and GPU test results. Antutu benchmark results look. And run the game without soundwares. Game works very good on the max graphic level. Close this. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's do this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.